Good morning. So, we built an app for our business. We called it Tsushipami Clothing Store, a clothing store for everyone. So, this is our home navigation. We have here the menu. So, if you click the woman, this is our most popular outwear and clothing, shoes, sneakers, and jacket. And men and for kids. So in the menu, makit-an ra among business number. Nadiri siya. Our business number. Yeah. Nadiri our Gmail address and our business address. So ma'am, we can see the about us, ma'am. So we upload a photo that indicates our about us. Here. So welcome to Tsushipami Clothing Store, your number one source of all things product, dress, bag, shoes. We're dedicated to giving you the very best of women, men, kids, with a focus on two characteristics, the customer service and uniqueness. So founded in May 28, 2022 by Joshua Hamita and Pamela, Tsushipami has come a long way from its beginnings in Magallanes, Luzon del Norte, home office. We now serve customers all over places nationwide and are thrilled to be part of the clothing services. So we hope you enjoy our products as much as we enjoy offering them to you. If you have any question or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. So Maurita, thanks for watching.